Greg Justice here, and as we wrap up 2025, here's what the fitness industry actually learned this year. It didn't get louder, it got smarter. In 2025, go hard finally gave way to go long. Longevity stopped being a buzzword and started becoming the business model. Zone 2 training, recovery, joint health, and sustainable strength moved to the center of the conversation. Coaching beat content. People stopped asking, how hard should I go? And started asking, how long can I stay capable? Intensity didn't disappear. It was just right sized. Now, the best programs blended effort with intention, not ego. Technology helped, but it didn't replace humans. Wearables and AI worked best when guided by experienced coaching. And most importantly, trust became the differentiator. Clients chose coaches who could explain why, not just demonstrate what. Here's the takeaway as we head into 2026. The future of fitness isn't trendier, it's more human, and it's built on trust. If you're training people for life, you're already ahead of the game. I'll see you next year.